Hey design lovers! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a unique touch to your garden or outdoors, you are in the perfect place. In this video, we're thrilled to share some creative garden wall design ideas for your outdoor spaces. These ideas motivate you to enhance your outdoors with stunning decor. You're here just to convert your ordinary walls into extraordinary and vibrant designs. We have got you. Here are a variety of exclusive ideas to help you transform your outdoor walls. Remember, think of your outdoor walls as a part of your home, so get creative and make it unique. Let's see how can you transform your outdoors. And that's it for our creative garden wall design ideas for your outdoor space. We hope these tips inspire you to get creative and enhance your outdoor areas. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, Omnifloor, for more design ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating and styling.